Oh, hello.
Hey.
What's up?
This is Matt from Nova's Compound. We're messing on a Mixcraft. These are the new things for Tiffany Took the Metronome.
Yeah, and it's gonna sound like this, dude. Alright, check it out, check it out. Hey, TJ. What's happening? What?
Hold on.
Your phone?
That's my grandpa. Hello? Huh?
Matt? Yeah,
Hey.
this is Grandpa from Matt.
Hey, Grandpa.
Yeah, I got a money deal for you cooking. It just came up yesterday.
What's that?
Well, the people are going to move out of Healdsburg on the 6th of June, and we need to clean up the house and maybe do a little painting inside the house so I can rent it.
Alright, sounds cool.
The 6th of June, they're going to be out.
6th of June, I can actually make that. That's right after my Rockin' Roots.
That's right after what?
Rockin' Roots, it's this concert that I'm playing and I'm selling tickets for.
Okay.
Alright, awesome.
You may want to post the page here, right?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind.
Okay, all right. Put it on your calendar.
Alright, I will, definitely.
Okay, how's everything else going?
It's going great. Everything's going really good.
How's your history teacher?
He's pretty good. I mean, like, he's a teacher, so, you know. Okay, I love my grandpa.
Hey guys, the guy from Nova's Compound. So I'm just Jay chilling up in my room. Matt is recording my piano parts for Tiffany Took the Metronome.
God!
Yeah, we're really bored. And I hate hot Cheetos. We're redoing 2 songs. Never Once Look Back. Never Once Look Back and Tiff. So yeah,
Don't judge me.
thank you for all the feedback, the awesome feedback on the new song I Held It In. People liked it.
That's what she said.
Anything you want to say, Matt? That'll be all, folks.
No, keep going.
Oh.
Okay, hold on. Can I like slow it down?
Your mom will slow down.
Like,
So yeah, that's about it. I just want to say, my hair looks horrible. I don't know what to say, because I'm terribly bored. Blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna fall asleep. Like, for real. I'm gonna fall asleep. I'm tired. I want to go to sleep right now. Thank you for all the awesome feedback, and I Held It In. Soon to be on iTunes and more. You have one more note. Matt, you have one more note.
where?
You go. You're fucking up.
No.
You're fucking up. Matt's fucking up.
Dang it.
Matt is fucking up. Record it. Record it. Okay, Matt, anything new for Nova's Compound?
We're trying to get a new layout. We're gonna get condenser mic.
Instead of this piece of shit,
Rock band.
a rock band mic I've been using for a while. What do we have here?
More
Mixed
Pringles.
up. What are we recording today?
Tiffany's in the
What you know? When do you expect it to like come out?
I don't know. Couple days probably.
Maybe next week.
Maybe next week. Probably next week.
Yeah, probably next week. Expect it maybe next Wednesday. So that's about it. Thank you so much for listening, and keep listening, and we love you so much.
Love you.
Okay, so that's about it. We're almost done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude,
What's up?
can I wear a shirt for tonight? For the date tonight?
Your face. Okay, which one?
This one?
That's a t-shirt.
What this one?
I was gonna wear that tomorrow.
I'll bring it tomorrow. You wash it.
Who are you going on this date with? I said, who are you going on this date with? Who are you going?
Okay, I'm going with Renee.
Alright. Easy, man.
I'm sorry.